Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing up some smoked mac and cheese with pulled pork, the leftover pulled pork from yesterday. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So this mac and cheese, you're gonna do whatever kind of pasta you like, a pound of it, and cook it up al dente. Oh hell yeah. Then you're gonna toss in as much cheese as you like, and we are using some cream cheese, sharp cheddar cheese. Check this one out. This one I found because this was a Guinness pulled pork. We're gonna go with some Irish beer cheddar. Oh hell yeah. And a little bit of leftover Gouda, whatever you got laying around in your fridge. I got some Gouda, Parmesan. We'll throw that all together. This one though, that's like my favorite cheese. Oh hell yeah. Cabot sharp, a little bit of butter, a couple cans of evaporated milk. Get this all working together, and then at the end we're gonna toss on some panko. Oh hell yeah, to get that nice red crisp on top.
Give me a hell yeah!
And we're in the middle of a giant windstorm. Oh hell yeah. So once you get this all put together, you're gonna put it into whatever cooker of your choice. But I'm using the Pit Boss. That's what I was rocking yesterday. Light smoke flavor on the mac and cheese. Oh hell yeah. Kick it at about 300, 325, whatever you want. And just get this all mixed up and married together. Oh hell yeah. Oh, while we're at it, cheers. So just like that, you put it together very easy. We're adding a little bit of Cosmos SPG and the Dirty Bird, just like we did on the pork butt yesterday, on top of this whole thing. Gonna go about 15-20 minutes, stir it around, about another 20-30 minutes after that. Put on some panko and pop it back in and crisp that up. Oh hell yeah. So we're about 45-50 minutes in, and you're stirring that all up every 15 minutes. We're gonna stir it up one last time and sprinkle some panko on the top. Oh hell yeah. Welding gloves work great with barbecue.
I said give me a hell yeah!
It is windy as all hell. So anyway, the best part about pulled pork is the endless recipes you could do afterward. And easy, quick cooks. Oh hell yeah. Sunday night, we're doing this. Mac and cheese, pulled pork. Hell yeah. If not, do tacos. Do anything. Man, there's so many possibilities. Pulled pork mac and cheese, done. Oh hell yeah, let's taste this. Looks like the bad weather has gone away very quickly. Oh hell yeah. Just came out. Oh hell yeah. Damn straight. That's rocking. Oh, cheesy as all hell. That pulled pork incorporated very well. Amazing. That is awesome. And hot. You should always celebrate your badass cooks.
Give me a hell yeah!
Easy to make mac and cheese on the pellet smoker. Oh, hell yeah. Very simple. Use up your leftovers. Pulled pork, always, I always get the biggest one I can get. So I always got leftovers. This is an easy way to use up some of them leftovers and make an amazing second meal. Oh, hell yeah. Guys, comment down below. Hit the thumbs up. Peace.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today, we're drinking. Obviously.